Don't tell me it's okay to burn that flag, because it's not. It's not a freedom of speech. That's an action. It's not a speech.
This is why, before you talk about constitutional rights, it's important to read and understand the Constitution. Now, while it's true that the Constitution's First Amendment talks about freedom of speech, courts, including the Supreme Court, have long established that by freedom of speech, the Constitution actually means freedom of expression. And the Supreme Court has long established that in decisions in 1931, 1943, 1969, in cases that range from raising a red communist flag all the way to wearing an armband to protest the war in Vietnam. The bottom line is that this amendment of the Constitution protects the freedom of expression and not just the freedom of speech, and with good reason, because I think even people that say you can't burn a flag because that's just an action, not a speech, would have a problem if all of a sudden the government decided to ban red hats that say certain things on them or Confederate flags. And can you imagine what they would say if the government all of a sudden said that the Secretary of Defense cannot wear certain tattoos because they offend people? Or what those same people would say if the government suddenly decided that you cannot boycott brands that you disagree with, because after all, that's an action, not a speech. Imagine what those people would say if all of these signs were suddenly banned just because they're symbols and therefore not speech. I bet you then the First Amendment would probably be brought up. But I bet you it'd be probably okay then, because it would be a law that represses something they want to express.